Hello. Today we are looking at how to install Audacity on a Chromebook easily. Firstly, we will turn on Linux apps. To do this, we will go to our system settings and click on the About Chrome OS section on the left panel. Under the Developers section, choose to set Linux up. Turn on Linux. Now that we have enabled Linux apps on our system, we will continue to the next step, which is to run one command in a terminal, which will install Audacity. The commands are in the video description. Now we will copy the first command and open a terminal session from our app menu. Next, we will paste the command into our terminal, either with a two-finger click on your terminal or click Ctrl, Shift, and V together. This command will install the application. Press Enter. Audacity is now installed. Now we need to go to our Linux apps settings and enable audio input. Let's do it now. Now we will launch Audacity. Let's try to record. Let's export this audio. You will find all the exported files in your Linux folder, and if you want to add audio in Audacity, you need to place it inside this folder to access it. Let's go there now. Enjoy.